In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photocopy line effect in Canva. This effect is perfect if you're going for a retro scanned document look, or you want your design to feel like it just came out of an old photocopier. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Canva. First, open up your design in Canva. This can be any project you're working on, a poster, a social media post, a presentation slide, or even a simple image. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen where you normally see options like elements, text, and uploads. In that panel, find and click on the option labeled Apps. Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of extra tools and effects that don't appear by default. When the Apps panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word BADTV as one word, all lowercase. This will bring up the Bad TV Effect app inside Canva, which is what we'll use to create that photocopy-style line effect. Once you see the Bad TV app appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. That will open a small window or panel introducing the app and explaining what it does. Here, you should see a button that says Open. Click on Open to start using the effect on your design. After you click Open, Canva will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these instructions carefully. Typically, you'll be asked to select the photo or design element that you want to apply the effect to. Choose the image or page where you want the photocopy lines to appear. From there, you'll usually see sliders or options to adjust the intensity, distortion, or style of the Bad TV effect. To get that photocopy line look, start with a subtle setting and slowly increase it until you see thin, horizontal, or slightly distorted lines that mimic a photocopied page. Avoid going too extreme, or it may start to look more like a glitch than a photocopy. Take a moment to preview your design and make sure the effect works well with your text and images. If it feels too strong, just dial it back using the controls provided. When you're happy with how it looks, apply the effect and continue editing or export your design as usual.